Welcome back to 50 Car. From the moment the 2025 Ford Ranger concept appears, it captivates with an audacious blend of strength and modernity. This truck is a symbol of enduring adventure and cutting-edge engineering, designed to conquer rugged terrain while offering refined comfort. The overall identity is bold, dynamic, and purpose-built for those who seek both work and thrill. The exterior design unfolds step by step. A commanding front grille and sleek LED headlamps merge with defined body contours to create an aggressive yet purposeful face. Its rear design features versatile tires engineered for mountain climbs, desert treks, off-road battles, and smooth highways, ensuring optimal performance in every condition. Though its robust form inspires confidence, the large proportions may limit urban agility. Inside, the cabin and dashboard combine high-tech sophistication with practicality. A digital instrument cluster and tactile controls are integrated into a design that emphasizes driver focus and comfort. Premium materials and ergonomic seating provide luxury, yet the complexity of some interfaces might challenge less tech-savvy users. Under the hood, performance is exhilarating. A powerful engine delivers brisk acceleration and impressive top speed, while advanced suspension and traction systems ensure agile driving dynamics. However, potential high costs for part replacements and warranty limitations remain noteworthy. Market positioning sees the Ranger concept competitively priced for adventurous buyers, spanning young enthusiasts to experienced drivers. Standing tall among rivals like the Toyota Tacoma and Chevrolet Colorado. Additional features such as customizable exterior options, comprehensive warranty packages, and necessary accessories enhance its appeal, though maintenance expenses might be higher than average. Cheerfully, the 2025 Ford Ranger concept promises a driving experience that marries rugged capability with modern elegance.